20 second tips
for home learning.
Hey everyone, welcome back to 20-second tips for home learning. Today's tip is find multiple places to study. It's easy for things to get boring when you're learning by yourself at the same table all day. Take advantage of the things that can be done not in your workspace. Maybe try a different chair or on the bed. Maybe even sit on the floor against a wall. A change of scenery is a fantastic way to refocus. Sometimes a different chair is the only thing standing between you and a breakthrough. Comment below with your favorite place to study. I really like the floor because it's like having a massive desk that nothing can fall off of. If you're looking for more simple tips and tricks on home learning, check out another video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a thing.